Yes.
And for the rest of the pages, you just have to add the link. No description, no caption, nothing. Only link. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now I'm going to email you this document, and you can schedule the posts. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Salim. And if there's something that you don't understand, or if there's any confusion, I'm available.
Okay.
You can just give me a call.
Uh, Actually, I would create post with caption.
Yeah, but you don't have to. I have added all the captions and the links.
Okay. Okay. No,
So don't,
I did not use the caption.
yeah, don't use it. Only use it for Instagram. This one.
Okay. 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 I understood.
Okay?
Yes.
And
Thanks.
over here, just the links. Just the links you have to post, no caption. But for Instagram, caption
Only for
and picture.
Instagram. Yes.
Yes. And also picture for Instagram, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let me email these to you now.
Actually, Quora also need need pictures.
It also need pictures.
Yes. Yes.
And does it use a link?
Actually, link also use, but they does not show
They want
the
pictures.
image. Just
Okay.
just link show.
No
So
problem.
so
You can use the pictures here also. Let me highlight it.
okay. Okay.
Okay?
I would use same picture Quora and
Yes.
Instagram.
Yes. Okay?
Okay, I understood.
Alright. Great. Because Salim, it's very, very important. Can you see my messages? Hold on, let me show you.
Okay.
Here is Francis, and this is all we're talking about since 1 week, okay? So don't mess it up, please.
Okay.
Alright, because Jake and Iran, they will see this themselves.
Okay. No need to worry.
Thank you, thank you. And if there's still any confusion, you just give me a call or send me a message. I'm available for you.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for your
Thank you,
guideline.
Salim.
Have
No
a
problem. And let's have a call tomorrow. I want to discuss a few things with you tomorrow.
okay.
Okay?
Have a great day and
Just
take care.
about. Sorry?
Have a great day and take care.
Thank you. And you also stay very warm and take care of yourself and don't catch a cold.
Okay.
Alright. Thank you, Salim.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye.